Welcome. Welcome to the Learning and Trading in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is the first live that we are doing, and there will be another one coming up. I would like to make it the best live for this week. So if you guys are here, let me know. So today is NFP, and this live is very important. If you want to know how NFP works, how the market behaved during the NFP, I'll give all the experience that I have today, share with you everything. So make sure that you stick till the end of this live session. Sit tight, take a tea or coffee, and just let me know in the live chat that you are ready and you are here. I'm waiting for you to be here. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you very much. Good morning, Omar. Welcome. Good morning. Dubasi, good morning. Aman, good morning. Thank you very much for joining the live session. I have quite a few good news today to share with you. So make sure that you remain fully attentive to the live session to learn and grow as a trader. So also here in this live session, we will be focusing on education as well as live trading. So both of them you will get here. This is a complete channel where you can learn and grow as a trader together with me in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So I will be looking at gold, and also we will be looking at some other pairs such as Gbpusd. We have seen a breakdown, dollar yen, also euro dollar, and many other instruments that currently showing trading opportunity in the market. So first of all, let's begin with gold, and we can see that a bit of sideways movement on gold, and that sideways movement might be an indication of bigger move with the NFP. Now, what is NFP? Non-farm payroll, and non-farm payroll is the news event for the traders. So if you guys are experienced for some time, you know that what is NFP. And also I would like to know, traders, how long you are trading, and more share your thought and opinion and experience in trading with us in the live chat. So what's your view on NFP? Greatness, good morning to all. Thank you very much. Amiko, good morning. Rose, good morning. Kizito, greeting. Good morning. Thank you very much for joining the live session. So let me do a complete fresh multi-time frame analysis. So I will be looking at the beginner mindset in the chart. So what is a beginner mindset? Beginner mindset is when you look at everything from like a beginner. It's important because when you look at everything like a beginner, let's say when you wake up in the morning, you look at the day that you have never seen the day, right? The first day of the happiness. When you wake up every day, that's what I do. When you wake up, if you expect the day to be the best day for your life, it's gonna be, no doubt about it, because our brain creates the reality that minds think of. So the mind and brain work like an antenna and the instrument that brings the experience. So beginner mindset is very important, especially if you are want to have an experience, a good experience in life. Because when you look at the beginner mindset, when you are waking up in the morning, you're letting go the past that sometimes doesn't serve, because past, normally recreation of past, in majority of the time you will see that it will bring some unusual experience that you don't want to see. So if we look at the same perspective in the market, that what we see that the beginner mindset will give you a bit of clear idea of the market, preconceived ideas. The reason is, when we look at the chart for long period of time, we started to think that okay, the market will, gold market today will fall. And when we say it in our mind repetitively, then given the price action is showing bullish, we start to think that okay, the market should be falling, so we should not be buying. So that's how it is important that you fully understand how our mind speaking and also how we are looking at the chart, so that we can take the right decision and apply the strategy with full presence in it. So if you look at the daily chart on gold, we can see that a bit of sideways movement. Let's analyze the overall picture from the daily perspective. Now, daily market structure on gold is, this is a bullish market, a complete bull market from bigger picture. Now, smaller picture, what we see that here, there was a drop, pullback, another drop, and now it's in a merging in one point. It's kind of, it's forming a triangular pattern in that area. Okay, so this is a triangular pattern that we see that gold is forming. Now, by knowing this fact of forming this triangular pattern, what we can see that this is a very narrow area in that zone, which is a very important zone. And in this narrow pattern, okay, so what we can expect gold to remain concentrated in that zone for the lower time frame, and then to break from that zone. So what is our view now? Because if you look at this 3 days candlestick pattern, we'll see how gold is reacting in that zone. There is a bearish candle, a long bearish candle, followed by a bullish candle almost equal length, and then followed by a red candle. Now what we could see that initially gold bulls might try to break this high, and then we could see again dropping down to fill that daily wick. So if we see that before NFP release gold is going up, then we can expect to come down because it's a very narrow zone in that area. Now with that notion, let's going back to the lower time frame. From the intraday, we can see that gold in that area, this is a triangle here forming. And let's go back to 15-minute chart to see how the price action is forming in that zone. Now, this is where we can see on gold that this is the support level. Okay, now the way the market might be reacting today, it might first break any of this important support, and then we could see that the price, after breaking any of this important support, then we might see the price is bouncing up that level. So some of the levels that we can see, this is a resistance level, this is a support level. So if the price is breaking the support today, then we can look for bullish entry opportunity. If the price is breaking the resistance, giving a potential strong impulse to the upside and the rejection, we can look for selling. Depending on the price action confirmation, we will be looking for entry. The price in a zone here at the moment, we just need to wait to see which way the price in fact heading. Now the levels that I have drawn today so far, the range is very smaller. If you look at, this is the high, this is the low of this daily, and this two support is absolutely important, because if gold is coming below this daily support, any of this zone, then we will be looking for buying after price action confirmation. So let's label that support, intraday support. Okay, so if I look at that, so this is an intraday support. Intraday support, and this is also the intraday support. So these two support are crucially important to see to find any kind of trading opportunity in the market. So based on that, we will be looking for entry. So this is the gold levels. Also, this is a resistance, and we need to see the price is reacting any of this support and resistance. So this is an intraday resistance, and this is an intraday support. Now these are the levels that we will be looking for any kind of entry opportunity in the market. And in the meantime, I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. I would appreciate that if you support the channel, if you are finding value in it. I do post a lot of content that will help you in the journey of your trading. Thank you, Kandeluik. I'm Dita Baruch. Salam bro, welcome. Okay, so we have seen this is the situation with gold, and also we will be looking at what's happening with the Gbpusd and to see if this instrument bringing anything on the table. Also, dollar CAD is important today with NFP, but we don't see any big movement here. You see the dollar yen and dollar CAD. Gbpusd, let's delete all the lines and see what's happening with Gbpusd. Okay, so looking at GJ, okay, so what we can see on Gbpusd, first of all, weekly chart. Okay, now why am I looking at the weekly? Because it's very important to look at the weekly chart. The reason I'm looking at the weekly is to look at the bigger picture. Now, when you look at the bigger picture, it becomes easy to see all the picture, right? Now, looking at bigger picture will always give you the best idea in the market. Now, if you're a beginner as a trader or trading for some time, not finding a clear understanding about the market, probably you're not looking at the multi-time frame approach, which is very, very important as a trader to look at the multi-time frame approach. Because when you look at picture within the picture, candle within the candle, that's where you can see a bit of clear picture in the market. Now, if I look at GJ from the weekly perspective, this is the weekly bullish candle, and we have seen that after a break of this weekly high, there was an immediate rejection from that resistance level. And with this rejection, this is a weekly support on GJ, and with this weekly support, what we see that the market is approaching this support level here. Okay, so with this support, the price is coming to the support, and because there was a rejection, expecting GJ to come down and then to break this weekly low, which is a very high probability to happen on Gbpusd, and then to bounce back up. So what I think that on GJ for the price, most likely we could see break of this low, and then we could see that the price is reacting towards the upside. If we look at the daily chart with that up, now from the daily, so far we have seen significant drop here on the daily time frame, and with this daily support level, you can see there was a move here to the upside, and the price is coming back to this support. As this price is dropping to that support, what we can expect on GJ for the price to come down and to retest this. Now, because it failed to create a higher high, we see a bit of reversal here, and the long-term trend is up. This is the starting of the impulse as the market broken down. What I think that at least we can expect for this price to break below before bouncing off that level. Now, looking at even further lower time frame on GJ, this is the lower time frame price action. Here is a drop pullback, and if Gbpusd is getting a rejection, especially from this support 190.849, is an important support. Okay, expecting Gbpjpy to reject from that zone here, and let's jump onto the very lower time frame here on GJ. But you can see that in that zone here, in this area, okay, so this is where expecting GJ to drop and then to bounce back up. So at the moment we can see a bit of consolidation in that area. If you look at now with this consolidation triangular pattern, which is basically an exhaustion of this local downtrend, and I don't think that GJ will be able to break the high like that and trending to the upside. Instead, if we see the market has bounced any of this resistance level, we could see that the price is coming back again in the major direction of the trend. So Gbpjpy, I will be waiting for potential selling opportunity in that area. Good morning, welcome, good morning. Now bro, is it possible to make money with you? Gold trading live, is it possible to make money with you? I don't know, because making money will determine, depending on you, how much you want to have. Look, let me tell you the truth. The truth is that money comes with the healing. Okay, so you have to be healed to have money. If I give you $1 million, and if you are not ready for it, tomorrow you will just blow it and go to the same place where you are. Money comes with the healing. And what is healing? Healing is, many people don't understand. You see, when we are very young, many of us has a trauma inside. It's inevitable. Anything. Probably you have grown up in a very good family, a very healthy, supportive family, but suddenly you went to the swimming pool when you were very young and you drowned a little bit and you had a trauma. So those trauma stuck us in the gaining the life or freedom or the money that we want. So it's a balancing approach. To have money, first you have to prepare for it, prepare yourself for it. So to make money with me, you first need to be a receiver. So then what I'm doing here, I'm helping you to understand what you need to do. So I'm showing you that how to make money so that you can prepare yourself to make money. I'm giving you the tool to make money. You can make money with me, but how much you can keep will determine on your ability to retain. Imagine that you are a spoon, like a spoon that doesn't have any slit inside or a hole inside. Now or bucket. So you are a bucket, I'm putting the water in it, or you put your water in it. Now how much you will retain will determine if you have any kind of leakage in that bucket. So it will determine of your ability to retain the money. Now it's sometimes hard to retain the money. It's not hard to make money. It's hard to retain the money, because to retain you need to become an empty vessel. So what is an empty vessel? Imagine that you are a vessel. So what is inside that vessel? Inside that vessel is thought and energy. So what is energy? Is the emotion. So a human being composed of thought, what he or she is thinking, and the composed of energy, the emotion he is experiencing. They are interrelated. According to science, a man or woman thinks around 60 to 70,000 thoughts in a day, and all of them are related to their emotion. So the person, anyone who is any kind of emotional state will associate with the thought or thinking of that person based on his emotional state of being, and that will determine how much money you can retain, because that's where the vessel is. Now, how can you empty the vessel? Imagine that you wake up in the morning and you are not thinking anything else. You're just not thinking. You become empty. And that's where empty. So when you empty, you can put anything in it. Happiness, money, and then retain in within. That's how you can make money. Now, what I can give you is a tool that the spoon or the bucket that you can pour the water inside that vessel. Hope that makes sense. Should we sell or buy? Which one you should sell or buy? Yeah, we will be looking at, gold. We can see that it's dropping back down here, and depending on how the price is coming will determine. We are seeing that the price is dropping down to the daily support, and based on that we will be looking for entry opportunity. Good morning, thank you very much. Sir, is there change our London session YouTube lifetime? Yeah, this is the new London session lifetime now. Good morning, thank you very much. So look at your timing, because I don't know what time zone you are, but now in my zone is 4:24 or 4:25 p.m. okay, so it might be in your 8:25 or 7:25. okay, now cancel the 25. So I start now live at 4 p.m. so you can see in your clock is 8 p.m, 7 p.m or 6 p.m. You can mark that. That's our London session live, and the next one will come on the New York session. That will be the NFP trading today and every day in the same time. Hope that makes sense. Let me know if you have any question. So now what we can see in that area on gold, this is the daily support, determining where we can look for entry. This is the daily support, and from that daily support, okay, would like to see that the market see a complete break below that low, and then we can look for potential entry opportunity. Samir from India, thank you. Welcome, Samir. Welcome. Thanks for joining the live session, guys. In the meantime, I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done yet, press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. Okay, now gold will be waiting for that, for the price to drop below, and then we can look for entry. Looking at GBP/JPY. Okay, so GJ, we have seen a considerable drop, and this is the intraday, this is the daily support here. Waiting for GJ to drop back below this level, which we might see eventually dropping below this level, and based on that we can look for potential entry. Okay, now waiting on GJ. This is a bit of choppy here. If we see this for GJ, I will be more interested on selling. As you can see, this is the daily resistance. I want to draw both of them, both of this level, and depending on how the price is reacting to this resistance will determine. So these are the levels that we will be looking for entry on Gbpsd. Let's see how the market is doing. Based on that, we will be looking for entry. And in the meantime, thanks for joining the live session, for your support to the channel, much appreciated. And I have a very good announcement today, is that as there is NFP, so we will have couple of members we can take in the academy with an unbelievable discounted to join the academy to learn our strategies. So you can find link above below this video in the description for the website, and also there is a coupon available for you to access this unbelievable. There is $300 coupon. It's a 48-hour sale. And also let me share with you the coupon. So I've given you the coupon also in the description area. You can find also at the top of the you can see that. Let me share with you the coupon on the live chat. So if you want to be our member in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, this is a great time to join. I would recommend you to right now to access if you want to be part of the trading community, where you can learn and grow as a trader with me, including all the tools that we have. You can access all of them when you are our member. So now we have looked at gold and GJ. Especially we see that gold with NFP, there is a drop here, and with this drop the market is coming to the support level, expecting it to drop back down below this zone. Let me see how far it is going. We see that also the euro dollar, there was a drop here and then getting a rejection. Let's see what's happening with the euro dollar. If we find any entry, I will be looking for it. So euro dollar, we can see that there is a bit of a bullish price action here on euro dollar. So euro dollar, we can see there was a rejection here. As there is NFP today, we might see that euro dollar having a very good price action confirmation here, and this is the lower time frame support. I'm going to place a buy limit. So buy limit at on euro dollar at 1.07323. Stop loss I will put below this level, so it will be height stop loss around, depending on 4 pip. So it's almost nearly to the entry. We can enter by market. I'll target here 2 to 1. It's very quick trade. So I'm bullish on euro dollar. So I bought euro dollar, and we I would like to see that euro dollar is moving up to this level. Let me set the TP. So the TP1 that I want to set is at 1.07377. Okay, so I'm running in profit on euro dollar. Now this is a quick trade that I want to secure some profit here, because I will be explaining also the reason behind the trade on euro dollar. What do you see that euro dollar has got a very strong rejection from here, expecting it to go back up to the resistance. So the TP target primarily set at 1.07377. We see that the market is moving up. Waiting for a reaction towards the upside on euro dollar. Now euro dollar, the reason I'm bullish on euro dollar, I will be explaining the reason behind the trade. I hope that you guys are enjoying. Just make sure that you smash the like button, hit that subscribe button to learn more about how I'm trading. And if you want to learn the strategy behind, the main goal here is to teach you the strategy, guys. Don't miss out. Today there is an opportunity to join with us with an incredibly low price. This is an opportunity for those who are passionate about trading. There is a coupon available which is 80% off on joining our academy, where you can get access to everything. So this NFP coupon is $300 coupon available for you to access today. So this NFP coupon only available for 48 hours. After that it's gonna get expired. So if you don't want to miss out that, to be part of Forex Trading Wizard Academy, to learn the trade that I am opening, to join my regular classes, that you can find in the description area. There will be live Zoom classes held on in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, where you can access the strategy as well as live trading session, including all the tools that I am using. You will be able to access all of them. So use that coupon on the website lifetime access checkout to be part of this trading community. Now here is the 1 hour price action. I'm expecting euro dollar to fill that zone and then to give us some profit here. A bit of a choppy price action, but the potential for to be bullish that I'm expecting on euro dollar, as we saw a break of support here. If you look at, so this is a support on euro dollar on the 5 minutes. So support here, and break of support, rejection, expecting it to try to go ahead and to create a new higher high. So the reason the TP is here is because there is a liquidity zone, and expecting it to go ahead and fill that zone, and that's where we'll be taking the profit. So it's a couple of pip entry here. Are you guys with me? Blessing, thank you very much. Entry short, yeah, $300, yeah. Sir, currency strength meter are working well. Please describe it for educational purpose. Scam, yes, absolutely. We are also developing a currency strength meter in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Do you want to have access to that? Let me know how many members are interested on that. We are developing another currency strength meter, which will be very different from the traditional one, because in that currency strength meter we will be giving a very clear idea of which instrument is most likely to be trending and which one is stronger than the in comparison with other currency. So currency strength meter basically explains relative strength of the currency. For example, let's say if you are looking at AUD in comparison with the euro, or GBP in comparison with the euro. Let's say you have an option to buy euro dollar, GBP USD, AUD USD, but which one is stronger at the moment will be explained by currency strength meter. Tell us about gold. Yeah, we'll be looking at that. Let's first see how far it is moving, that euro USD. So we are long on euro dollar, and would like to see that this one also closing as a doji. It's getting a bit of rejection here, and with this rejection want to see that it's going to fill that zone so we can take the profit. So I'm running in a little bit of profit here and want to see that the market in fact going up and hitting that TP target. Okay, we see that it's a bit of upside here. Traders, hope that you are enjoying. Okay, so it's moving up in the direction. So if we look at the intraday or the 4-hour, where this is the 4-hour time frame, and let me see that gold. Okay, gold, we have seen there was a complete drop to this support on gold. It's almost to the daily support. Almost to the daily support, forming a pin bar. Okay, gold in a very crucial level here. Okay, and with this crucial level, gold approaching an important level of support. Okay, we see a bit of upside on euro dollar. Let's resolve this trade first, take profit or close, and then we'll jump on to the gold. But I want to secure some profit here starting of the day with the NFP. Alright guys, hope that you are enjoying this live session. I would appreciate your support to the channel by giving a thumbs up. And if you want to learn the strategy that I am trading today, we have few spots to take on the mentorship with an unbelievable 80% off only today for NFP sale, where you can learn and grow as a trader with me. You can learn the strategy that I am trading, and also you can be part of the trading community by accessing everything for the lifetime. So you can use that coupon for the NFP. I've given you on the live chat, and also you can see on the screen. Once you're on the website, just click join now, and then we'll be able to access everything that you need to be part of this trading community. So now here on euro dollar, guys, what kind of price action is this? Very interesting, isn't it? So it's forming series of lower high, but at the same time series of higher low. So what we're expecting is for this price to break out as long-term trend is up. With the gold, gold is with this a sudden breakdown on gold before the NFP, currently the price consolidating here. This one we need to look at to see either it's gonna break below or again bouncing to the upside. Okay, gold, euro dollar. I'm switching from euro dollar to gold to see the trade. So from the 5-minute chart, so the support, so in the support, and with this support you can see there's a long wick here, expecting it to have a rejection. So if this one, there was a wickless candle, back-to-back two wickless candle is being formed. Want to see that from this support is getting a bit of upside here. I have entered at my entry at the moment. So there's a gap opening, and interesting to see how the market is reacting in that zone. Okay, euro dollar is just forming a narrow candle with the gold. Yeah, gold has broken below with a long week candle, and it's now breaking the daily support. So from the intraday time frame, we can see that euro dollar has got a rejection. Gold has got a rejection to the downside, breaking the support. While yeah, so gold is breaking below. Let me delete some of the lines here that we don't need at the moment. While we see that euro dollar is pushing high again. So gold, the way gold is forming, I think we might see later after a pullback. This is a drop to the daily support, and from this support, after significant pullback, we can expect gold for a move. Now looking at the euro dollar, because euro dollar, we want to see this trade is being profitable one after a bit of movement. Now this is the 5 minutes price action on euro dollar. I want to see that it has gone enough to the upside for deeper pullback. Looks to me that we might see a bit of rejection. So from 5 minutes, might go for another weak fill here. Still on with euro dollar. I think we might see a bit of weak fill. How did the gold is doing? There is a breakdown on gold with a very strong momentum in it. With the NFP, we can see that there is a potential downside on gold. So the intraday time frame, formed a liquidity candle, but still I'm on the trade. It might we are stopped on euro dollar. This is a complete breakdown. I think gold also might be before the NFP. We might see a complete breakdown on gold also. Euro dollar has got that rejection. Let's see what's happening with the gold. There is a huge drop. This is almost to the daily support. I think we might see now. Okay, so I will be also opening buy position on gold from this level. Stop loss just below this low with a proper risk management is key. Let me take 3% profit target on this. So with only in this trade will be around 15 pip stop loss. Expecting gold to bounce again to the resistance line. Stop loss will be at 2298.07. You guys knows my trading style, so make sure that you do proper risk management. So I'm long on gold. So TP target is at 2305.98. So I have taken only a 0.25% risk for each trade. The price on the important level of support, as it has broken this low, this is a high liquidity zone. There is a liquidity candle in the past here, and with that liquidity candle, as the price has broken that before the candle close, expecting it to go ahead and fill that some of this wick here to the upside. Come on. It's not working. didn't work out, that one. And we might see a breakdown here. So if you look at the 1 minute and lower time frame, just has taken us and then started to move up. Might remain bearish here. Okay, so we may not see complete bullish move. So there is a, if you look at the 4 hour, let me delete those lines and see that there is a price has broken that low, but ultimately we might see continuation pattern. Yeah, okay, so here is before NFP. We can see that there is a bit of complete breakdown in that area, so we might see the market trending to the downside with the NFP. Okay, so you see the euro dollar again has got that rejection from this level, so basically took that out of the trade and then started to bounce off this level. With that on gold, we will be waiting for the next move as NFP later today. I would like to see that the market is moving with the NFP, and then we'll be looking for entry opportunity. So for this live, we will be ending here, and I will be coming on live with the NFP again, and we will be we'll see you there, traders trading live with the NFP. And until that, stay well, stay happy, see you there.